All right, now it's time for She Works Hard, Saving Money. I love these, love these, love these. Abigail said, our family is growing and now it is time to get a bigger vehicle. Just paid cash for a new to us Honda Odyssey. Well done, Abigail, well done. Jesse said, I can't believe it's been 9 whole years since we said I do. I would not trade our $500 wedding for anything. My grandmother was right. A wedding is just a day on the calendar, but marriage is a lifetime. Grandma's always right. 9 years, 3 dogs, 3 moves, 3 kids, and over $100,000 of debt accumulated and paid off, and many, many more memories to come. Oh, Jesse, congrats. That's so great. Sarah said, Emily worked hard the last 3 months saving her commissions for her pillow. She was so excited. Love this hardworking, loving girl. Give, save, and spend. Guys, I love this. I love seeing everything you're saving up for and even your kids. How cute is that? Okay, you've been posting photos, which I love, but I also want you to post videos, which is so fun because we may show them on the show. And remember to use the hashtag She Works Hard Saving Money. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all the things. So exciting. And remember, you guys, to like or subscribe so you do not miss the next episode. So hopefully in this episode, there was something that you could take away to make your life better. So thanks so much to our guests, the Minimalists, and to Jenna. And remember to take control of your money and create a life you love.